Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to hide and show the workbook scroll bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bars. I will show you in two methods. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. Notice here in this workbook we have the scroll bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Now it's selected show workbook scroll bar. Now I'm hiding the scroll bars. So notice here we don't have the scroll bars. If we want to display show workbook scroll bars, here we got the workbook. Hide, show, hide and show.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I have opened one new book on Excel sheet. Now notice in my Excel sheet I have this vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Now my aim is I want to hide these scroll bars. I will show you two methods. The first method using the graphical user interface. For that, go to File, click Options, and the options click Advanced. Come to the bottom. Notice here display options for this workbook. Show horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Click OK. See, notice here the horizontal and vertical scroll bar are disappeared. Now if you want to again activate, go to File, Options, Advanced, come to the bottom again select the check boxes. That's it. Now I will show you the second method using macros with a radio buttons. You can use any controls, but here I am using the radio buttons. Go to developer. In the developer there is a insert controls. I am adding one insert controls here. Control C, Control V. I require two radio button controls. Let me show scroll bars, workbook scroll bar. Let's put this aside. Changing this scroll bar to hide scroll bar. Hide workbook scroll bar. Now let's write the code in the macro. For that, notice here in the developer menu there is a code option. Under code there is a Visual Basic. Click that one. Now in order to create a macros, we require one module. For that, go to Insert, click Module. Here we got the module. I'm creating the sub show workbook scroll bars. Activate window. Active window dot display horizontal scroll bar is equals to true. Copy this one, paste here. Instead of display horizontal scroll bar, I am adding display vertical scroll bar is true. Now let's get another function, the macro, to hide the scroll bars. Sub hide workbook scroll bars, active window dot display horizontal bar is false, active window dot display vertical scroll bar is equals to false. And the above function to show the horizontal and vertical bars, and below is the hide the vertical and horizontal bars. Now switch over to the Excel worksheet. Now select the show workbook, right click the mouse, assign macro, I'm adding show workbook scroll bars. Click OK. Again, second radio button, select that one, right click the mouse, assign macro, hide workbook scroll bar. And notice here we got the scroll bars here. Now let's check the final output. Notice here in this workbook we have the scroll bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Now it selected show workbook scroll bar. Now I'm hiding the scroll bars. So notice here we don't have the scroll bars. If we want to display show workbook scroll bars, here we got the workbook. Hide, show, hide and show. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to hide and show the workbook scroll bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bars, using two methods. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.